Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on the Hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe. So today I'll be doing these gel full covered press on nails, and hope you like them. So I'll be starting with my base coat. No type of fancy polish, gel polish. It's just one I had bought through Amazon a while ago, and I will be putting on the base coat on all of them, and then I will go ahead with the same brand of orange gel polish, and I will go ahead and polish the nail. So I will have 3 nails orange, full covered orange, and then 2 nails will be with Madame Glam, and it will be like for a French color. So I'm just polishing these full covered tips. The best full covered tips to use is Macau, I think. They have a thicker full covered nails. I have a square shaped nail full covered, and they're so flimsy. Even when you cure them, they like shrink down. So I use those just to practice different things on them, but I still have to get square shape. But for right now, these are the coffin shape, and I'll be putting on I think I did only 2 coats of the orange, and 2 coats of this is the Madame Glam for French. I like this color sometimes, and I have another pinker, so I have maybe 3 different colors for the French and in Madame Glam, and I think I only have 1 in Orly and 1 in Cara Sky. So it depends on what color you like. Because it's already a full cover tip and I didn't build it, it's best to do like a darker color. If not, because you're putting on glue and even probably a little sticky tab that you will see through, so you want the color to be for full covered as dark enough so that you don't see through it. But if you're doing it on a build, if they build your on your natural nail, or you have acrylic, it's okay to put those on because you won't see the natural nail and it won't be like a sticky tab or glue underneath. So I will take my little AliExpress striping tool, and I think I really need to invest in one of these, a better one. I don't know if there's really better, maybe because of the brush, being a synthetic hair versus different color hair. So I'll just be doing my stripe, and so I have those little white sticky paper where you could peel it off and put it where you want to make your stripe. And the thing with that is that if you've had them for a long time, even though they're still sticky, for some reason it loses stickiness when you put them on. Or if you're working with gel polish, you kind of have to cure it before you peel it off. But sometimes, well, I tried the paper and I did peel it off before I cured, and it wasn't that bad. It didn't you just have to cure it right away after and then put on your second coat. But as you guys know in my previous video, that I don't like doing anything freehand, so I always buy a lot of gadgets to help with that. I don't draw, so I do decals. I don't draw, so I do stamping. I don't draw, so I'm kidding. So I do whatever else possible. So while I am prepping these, getting these nails ready, this will be a set for my full cover press on that I'm trying to see, to sell for press on nails. Right now, a lot of people don't have access to, they can't go to the salon to get their nails done. So I decided to create some to see how people, if they need it, and most people are not going out anyway, so I probably won't even buy them, but it still feels good to have them on. So when I did the photos, when I do the photos with my press on nails, whatever the little tacky thing that's on my little stand right there, I just peel this off and press them on my nails, stick on the press on nails just for photos. I don't keep them on. If I do, I'll put the glue, but right now I'm doing like a video a day, and it's going to be really hard for me to keep nails on and then photo shoot them. And also so I'm doing Cara Sky for the V shape for the glitter part. Yeah, so it's going to be hard for me to keep wearing them. I can't even really put on, I wanted to put like gel polish just on my natural nail, but I always have to put rhinestone or something. So again, after to pose with them will be kind of hard. So I have already one nail. If you go to my so I have an Instagram page, you can go follow me there. It's also My Life on a Hill, and then I have my YouTube channel. Then I have my Patreon, which is patreon.com/nailroomtalk, and you could go find me there if you wanna. I have different topics that I do there, and I do nails, but it's kind of like a salon atmosphere where I'm dealing with a so-called client, my silicone hand, and talking about issues of life. So you go check that out there. And so but make sure you go follow me on my IG page to see when I have different designs up. If I start getting a lot of orders, I won't be able to do all videos on them, and so you won't be able to know that I am done with so you could go find there. So I like this glue. It really works, but it just takes a long time to dry, and I try not to spray the spray in order for it to set it, because I just, the activator, I just try to not have a lot of smell. I'm like, right now my nose is stuffy, just some allergies, so my nose is very sensitive. So but anyways, if you would want to do this, you could also use builder gel. Just make sure that you roughen up the base, the nail, and put on your builder gel, cure it, and then since these are bigger stone, also go around with a little striper or a little brush that I just did my line in, and just go around the edge and make sure that it is completely full from corner to corner or a complete circle. So I am getting ready to do another video, but I'll be using the Young Nail airbrush. Well, that is my goal, to use that one. So make sure you stay tuned and watch that next video. But anyways, if you find this video interesting, please go ahead and share it, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page at mylifeonthehill. So I'm just doing the rhinestone down the center for this one, and so when I put them on, I was like, oh my gosh, I love these, I don't want to take them off. But anyways, they're already off in a box ready. And so if you like these and you want to order them, just go ahead and go to my Life on a Hill Instagram page, hit me up through DM me, and we'll go from there. And I'll also have different ones too. So the ones that are for sale, I'll see, just go on my Instagram page if you see any you like, which I've done a lot for YouTube, but I think I've only done 2 so far for press-on nails, if you like them. And the price that I normally would charge will be definitely higher, but because I know a lot of people on no income right now, I will totally try and put it at a set price. The if you want separate, they'll have the glue, the file, and the wooden pusher, and that will be separate, because most people have those things, basic stuff, in their home already. So that will not be included, because it will put up the price, and then you already have to pay for shipping. So most people, like I said, have those in their home. So anyways, I'm just taking them off my little, so it's a little white sticky tacky sticky thing right there. That's what I use to just put on my nail real fast to take a quick photo. So if you could see while I take them off, like the one up above, you see on the middle finger, the thumb, how a little piece is on there. That's where the glue I guess runs off. So just clip that off with a tweezer, and then make sure you seal it again with a top coat and file it and see. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Even though it's not like my usual lot of decal, a lot of stamping nails, it's just to the point. I really like it. Today, like I said, I plan to do an ombre with the airbrush. So let's see how that works out in terms of the airbrush, because I know sometimes the airbrush can clog and get temperamental. So these were looking really cute. I did not want to take them off. I sat in my nail room like for a couple hours just relaxing after that. But anyways, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button so you could get all my new videos, and then I'll do a shout out in the first person that comments. So, and also you have to comment on the same day. You can't comment 3 years later and expect me to do a shout out. Anyways, what else I wanted to say? Yeah, that's about it. Again, go to my Instagram page in order to see my all my press-ons, and hit me up through the DM there. Take care and be safe.